A good Wednesday to you, everybody. Matt Noyes from 1 Degree Outside Weather Network and 1degreeoutside.com. Let's dive into the midweek weather. We'll start with the notes here for this morning. There are showers that are on the way. You've got a couple rounds of them coming in today, not at all times and not for all of us. I'm going to get into the forecast radar here in just 1 second. Raindrops are expected to fill in for a lot of southern New England tonight into and through a lot of tomorrow. And in terms of the new cooler onshore wind that replaces the warmth we've had, it doesn't begin today, but it does begin tonight and really tomorrow through Sunday. You've got a cool onshore wind. Let's dive into the radar forecast. We've already had a couple of scattered showers that you can follow along with in our interactive radar right on our app. Or if you don't have the app because it's not out for Android yet, we're working on that, go to 1degreeoutside.com. You'll see a nice interactive radar you can use there. Here come some showers that will by noontime, with a timestamp in the upper left, be lifting across southern and central Vermont, central New Hampshire for that matter. There's a big slot of dry in between across a lot of southern New England. Again, that's the map. At noon, if I take you out through about 3 p.m. or so, you see those showers kind of riding north into the mountains of northern New England. But new showers developing around Worcester County. Even at the North Shore, a new shower may develop during the course of the afternoon. So I can't promise you that all of southern New England stays dry through the afternoon. Notice also the south coast starts getting into some rainfall as we get toward 3 p.m. That's the slug of rain that moves in for more of us tonight and tomorrow. But let's take it one step at a time. By 6 o'clock this evening, youth sports going on in a lot of spots. Now, notice, actually, more of us are dry than wet when you look at New England as a whole, right? But there are definitely some showers across southern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, the Mass New Hampshire border region, and then some showers or a thunderstorm when you get across the Canadian border and in the Great North, and that's because of a cold front that's trying to drop in from the north. That's what changes the wind direction by tomorrow. Here comes the rain again, 6 o'clock this evening, filling in through the Cape, the islands, the South Coast. By the time we get to 9 p.m., still get these kind of two bands of showers that are showing up, or almost three, but the rain that's filling in across the South Coast continues to expand northward through southeastern Mass at 9 p.m. Highs today reaching near 70 degrees. As you can imagine, where the showers are, it may be a little bit cooler, but remember, for a lot of southern New England, they come and go. The real impact on keeping things cooler because the showers linger for a bit more is in central and southern Vermont and southwest New Hampshire. Even southeastern New Hampshire, though, because you're in and out of a couple of showers, is able to break 70 degrees. When you come into northern New England, as the showers settle into the mountains, that will keep the temperature in the 60s for most of us here. And the best weather of all in New England today is going to be found in central, northern, and eastern Maine, where temperatures rise into the 70s because you don't get the showers. When you get into our Canadian provinces, it's beautiful. We get up over 70 degrees. Today with sunshine. So by the time we get to the overnight, temperatures running in the 50s for most of us. Again, that rain filling in more and more in the overnight through the remainder of southern New England so that by 7 a.m. on Thursday morning, you can see the predicted radar. Pretty much anybody that's south of about Concord, New Hampshire, or Manchester is into the rain, and that's where it's going to stay for a lot of the day on Thursday with a couple showers popping up farther to the north, but not nearly that same shield of rain. More on tomorrow through the weekend in our 1 Degree Outside Insights video coming up in just a bit. I hope you have a great day.